Good afternoon, brothers. Welcome to A Brown Bag Gentleman. My name is Scott, and for this afternoon, I'm actually figured I'd do a quick unboxing video. Got a package in. I thought it was kind of neat. I thought you'd want to see it. So I've got this package here from Phoenix Artisan Accoutrements. We're going to unbox and see what's going on. It is, I will tell you, it's about 4:45 in the afternoon now on Saturday, January 24th. The storm is not here yet. It has not hit here yet, the big storm that's coming in. So it's like, yeah, we're still waiting for that. I've kind of cleaned up the yard and sticks and prepared the house as much as possible for losing power and water. So we'll see. But we're just hunkering down, enjoying the electricity while we have it, and we'll see what happens. So let's open up the box. There we go. So let's open the box, get a receipt, paper padding, open it up, pump it down. One of the things I got was a good size sample. That's a large sample. That looks like twice the size of a regular sample. And I was looking at their price going, $4.45 for their sample. It looks a little pricey, but, you know, because I'm used to paying like the $2 and $3 worth for most of the samples I get, but this is twice that size. So $4.45, yeah, not a bad price. That's a good size sample. I got to stop and smell it because I don't know what this smells like. It's Future Fiction. They call it the fun size. This is, of course, a sample to try for you guys. I like it. It's soft. It's nice. It's not in your face like some of the. When I first started with Phoenix Artisan Accoutrements scents and aftershaves and stuff, their scents were like bold and strong. This one is kind of subdued. It's kind of nice. To me, this is something different for a Phoenix. So yeah, I'm definitely looking forward to trying this in the future. So we'll just put the cap back on tight. Now to get to the razor I purchased. So let's unwrap this. Very well wrapped, taped and padded. So let's get this all apart. Put that in the box. All right, it's the Cygnus razor. So this is the new Cygnus. So yes, I did jump on that bandwagon and get this. That's why when you discover things like those 4-pay plans, yeah, this is where this comes in handy. Something like this. Because, yeah, Christmas was just, a little bit ago, a month ago, and I got razors for Christmas, and yeah, I got one now here. But this one, yeah, on the 4-pay plan. Okay, let's see here. All right, there we go. What's this? Okay, this is just some foam to protect, the top of it here. So it didn't have like a separate cap, so there we go. Very nice presentation. And, of course, their blades. Oh, a couple of packs of their blades. Interesting, okay. And let me show you this. This is not treated copper. So yeah, this is pure copper. I forget what they call it, but it's a very nice grade of copper. Oh, there we go. There's the handle. Oh, it's got some heft to it. Give you a size comparison from my hand. So it's like I call that a 3-inch handle, which is my preferred size versus the 3.5s. I like the 3-inch. That's just like 3.5s are good too, but yeah, I don't care for the longer ones. Now the top cap, of course, is matching that. And this will patina. This is made to patina. And yes, they tell you can polish this with a light little metal polish. You can absolutely do that to keep it matte. It's a matte finish. You can see it's matte. It's not shiny. I could polish that and make it shiny, but it's good. The whole idea is to let it patina. So yeah, I'm probably going to let it patina. I kind of like that idea. I like patinaed copper. The knife I just pulled out, you'll notice, is patinaed copper. Those are copper scales on that knife. So yeah, they're patinas. It was shiny when I got it, and that's what that looks like when it's patina. So that's what I'm expecting to happen to that. Now here's the interesting part. The base plate is not copper. It's not metal. It's a type of plastic called acetate. Is that right? I probably said that wrong. But it's not, and it's not Bakelite either, because the Bakelite they said wouldn't last as long. This is a type of plastic that's supposed to last longer. So it's a very standard, closed comb type base plate. So it goes together. Let's go ahead and put it, but it does have to see that it has the bars. I like the bars. They're a more rigid hold, I've noticed, especially with my timeless would like that. So yeah. Oops, I had it upside down. I was thinking it goes like that. It doesn't. It goes in there because there's a little slots to hold it. So it's like an upsweep. Okay. So there. So yeah, it's an upsweep. So, okay. So it's a lot. It's reminiscent of the timeless handle, which is probably also something similar to what this is going after, a vintage type of razor. So yeah. I'm doing this right hand instead of left. I am left-handed, so yeah, this is awkward for me. But I like the weight of that handle. Snug that up. Okay, balance point is, oh, it's kind of nice. It's right there. Okay. Balance point is like right there. So it's like, yeah, you're shaving along, come along here. That's what you just notice when I'm holding it, especially like just 2 fingers or a couple of fingers like this, I'm holding it at the balance point when I use a razor. So that's the balance point for this. And it makes it more maneuverable. But oh, that's got some serious weight to it. That feels solid. Oh wow, it feels solid. You'd think with the plastic type base plate it would be all too handle heavy, but no, it's balancing nice. It's not balancing like way back here or anything. So that's like, or because what you could think it's balancing in a nice spot on the handle. So yeah, liking that. I'm very intrigued with that, and I'll get to this. I'm not sure when because yeah, we got the storm coming in and we're gonna probably lose power for days. So I did shave this morning. You saw that video. I won't be shaving with this until we get basically power back so I can have hot water. So yeah, so when I get to use this, yes, I'm gonna obviously I will give you an update once I've used it for a week. So, but that's exciting. I'm kind of like interested in trying that and showing you with that as well. I won't use the blades in it because I'm going to use the tried and true what I know blades first before I use their blades. I've used I did have a pack of their blades. I've used it in various razors. So, but I want to try a more stable. In fact, it'll probably be an Astrox because that's kind of what I always start with a new razor with an Astrox, just because that's my go-to starter blade. So yeah, but hope you enjoyed that. Hope you're intrigued by that. And just to show you the outside box again, it's called the Cygnus razor. So yes, we'll be doing that sometime. So I'm not sure when my next video will be. So once we get our power back and all that. But for now, stay safe and go with God.